biddy boom 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 biddy boom 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 biddy boom 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 biddy boom 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 biddy boom 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 biddy boom boom boom.
Are you tired of scraping and scraping away at ice on your windshield? Is it too tough for you to do alone? Well, if the answer is yes, then I have the solution for you. All you need is a mixture of 2/3 vinegar, 1/3 water. Yes, you can easily repurpose any old spray bottle in your household. Just clean it out really well, and then mix in 2/3 vinegar and 1/3 water. As it's my favorite, I use apple cider vinegar. Then you can easily spray this mixture onto your car window and car door, and easily and effortlessly it will melt the ice before your eyes. Dramatization may not have happened, results may vary. So this winter season, just grab your bottle of vinegar and water to de-ice your car naturally. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.
Boom boom boom